Nika, wala kang trabaho? Wala kang trabaho? Wala kang trabaho?
Noah, Kuya is going up again.
Asan si Kuya?
Hi there.
Emma, tumiti.
Come.
Ang galing ah.
Yeah, Mom. Kuya is going up.
Ayun si Kuya.
Come on. Hop a coconut. Yes. Yeah.
Baka matamaan yung mga bata.
Come on here. Dito tayo. Come on here. Yeah.
No, are you going to eat coconut?
No,
Nande?
because it's yucky.
Yucky mo mukha mo.
Yucky daw. Huh? You happy? No.
Ah, so naglilinis sila ng mga ano.
Yes.
Good job. Help Kuya.
Because Kuya will get the ano pa.
Asyong ako naman.
What's this?
Okay, you know what? Here, let's go here. Come. Here.
Whoa!
Follow Tita. Tita talaga ba? Follow Tita. Come on.
Baka dire-diretso sila tumakbo dyan, ha?
Emma, dito Tita. Emma, come Tita. Emma,
Go with tita kasi.
go Tita. Come here.
Go tita, tita, dekinay ka ra.
Yeah, here. Go Tita. Tita. Oops, careful. Alright, come on. Yay.
Diretso-diretso yan, pahuka.
Okay, let's go here.
Be careful, ha?
Be careful, please. Okay. Put it there.
Thank you for helping.
There you go.
Thank you.
Just put it there. Just put it there. Go.
Go, Emma Tang.
Put it there. Okay, there you go. All right, come on.
Oh, let's go back.
The others.
Ay, no, kung you need to put it back yan, eh. Put it there.
Come on.
Mom, Dad,
Emma.
I need
Pagkakatipan niyo
I
talaga.
need to cut the coconut.
Oh, sige, go cut the coconut.
Go cut the coconut.
So, is that your sword? Galing ah.
I got the coconut too.
Okay.
Mamawa.
Tingin lang ako.
Ay,
Oh, yeah?
Pinipin ko na yung hamok mo.
Kasi mahuhulugan ng hila. Saka, huwag na dito doon ang banda hanap na lang. Hindi, meron akong hamik na,
Malaki.
hindi yung nakastand lang.
Ah, okay.
Meron.
no, watch out.
Ang dami na pala nila umakyat. Oh, jama na tayo dito.
Ano sabi ni Mama?
The coconut.
Oh yeah, they will cut the, will open the coconut. Oh, boom! You did not see that. You did not see that.
Get it!
No, Liam. Come on, let's go here. It's fine.
No, do you want me to take your picture with the coconut? You hold the coconut with
Noah, cut.
Okay, go. I'll go get your coconut. Go with Lola, huy!
Ay, nako, ay, small.
Get coconut, chichay! Chichay na! Ano tama? Asin ko rin? Chichay ka na. Nahulugan pala. Balik na kami kasi si Inday, mainit na din.
Let's go, Nokon. Iko?
This one has a little star. This one has a little car. Fish have cars. Do they? I didn't know they had cars. Say, what a lot of fish there are. Yes, some are red and some are blue. Some are old and some are new. Some are sad. Some are yay. Good. This is not right. My feet stick out of the bed all night. Do your feet stick out of the bed?
No,
No?
because my dad and my mom and papa know when my Emma is not guy, no bed like this. No, like this.
Oh.
Mama and papa
Oh.
You have a big bed.
What do you say, Emma?
Man, I like a small table.
You got 5?
Yeah.
He got 7 there, and he's got how many there?
Noah, can you see your pose? No, come. We're going. Don't leave me, no, come. Can you see your smile? Oh no! Ah! Mite, look at your, ano. Oh no, Yagu. Need to change clothes. Ganda-ganda pa naman ang outfit mo. Ito, black time na.
Video. Hi. Nani?
This that look like a bivako.
Looks like Nani?
That look like a bivako. Then
Doko.
somewhere.
Somewhere. What's that?
A beach.
Oh, smile na. Smile na. Peace. Look at mama.
Oh.
Peace na. Look at mama. Are you pooping? Smile. Chura.
What do you want? What do you want?
Bird.
What do you want?
No one said.
What do you want?
Sorry.
What kind of toy you want? Princess?
You want me to put it here? No.
Barbie?
These are for you.
You like Barbie?
Tapos na. Yeah.
Barbie. How many? Barbie 2 or
Ay, kapon, auntie.
how many Barbie?
Only one?
Samishi. Samishi na Barbie. Only one. Okay. And cooking, kitchen stuff. You want?
Bye-bye, Kuya Liam. It's a video. Nag-smile siya, akala niya picture. Bye-bye, ate.
I don't know.
It's good.
Bye-bye, Tita Joy.
Bye-bye!
Bye, Tita Nika.
Going from sinus breathing to asthma, tachycardia. What does it speak to you right now?
Say bye-bye na Kuya Liam. And bye-bye na naman. Bye-bye. Hug. Oh.
Pushing beta blockers. Start by controlling the bleeding. Up your back. Bobby, forceps quickly. Up your back. Do something.
Bye.
Step up while removing the adrenal gland. Up your back. Okay, up your back. Okay.
Bye. Mama. Nakita pa tayo sa mali.
Blood pressure.
Kaya Mama.
ABT 180 is coming down slowly.
Bye-bye na.
How much beta?
Bye-bye, Emma.
5 milligrams. It's been 30 seconds since we...
Bye-bye, Emma. Bye-bye, Emma. Bye-bye, Kuya Liam.
All right,
Bye.
perfect.
Bye-bye, Tita Kais too.
Time to finish up. Yes, let's fix it up. No, You have to finish it yourself. I need to check on number 1.
O, sige na kayo.
You want me to
Kahit
do
na.
this alone? His vital signs have stabilized. Get help from Dr. Park for the rest.
Madali lang naman
The
siya.
patient's alive. In part because of him.
See you at the airport. You get my shirt right there.
You're just leaving?
Remember, we get that other job. You're
Good
the
coming,
boss.
Gus. How's the surgery going so far?
We're doing the best we can right now, but
He's bleeding!
Bark at them like you bark at me.
Hey, hey!
Bye-bye din, Mommy.
Don't let me out, push!
Bobo.
Yes, doctor. No.
Grabe naman.
Document.
Document.
Last day niya na to, Mabi. Ninita.
Oo nga.
Ay, dirty dog eat that one.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Kuya Ken.
Bye-bye, Nika.
Thank you.
Ingat ka dun sa pupuntahan mo.
Yes. Uy! Sinayos pati ako naiyak.
All aboard.
Kaya yan.
We got our phones.
Kaya yan. Kaya
We got our pants on. We got
Draw up lang. Draw up. Straight lang yung ano nila. Straight lang yung
we take
focus.
an airplane.
Wala na yung kaliwa kanan. Straight lang. Walang distraction. Isipin mo lang kung ano yung pinag mo
Airplane.
doon.
We're home.
Yun lang.
They say, Daddy, yay!
Walang left lang. Kalahin mo lang yung
No, kung... Sinahan tita?
mata ko dun eh. Wow! Ay, crying na tika. Yeah, ay, okay, okay. Iyak na yan ang 10, 9. It's okay to cry. It's okay to cry. We're not going there.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All the times that you're not there. All the times you were. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Emma.
See you in Manila.
See you. Bye-bye.
Ingat sa flight. Sanika.
Bye.
What's a blood road?
Nothing na. No problem. Bye.
Trains departing.
Ito na yung gawin.
Okay, Bobby.
Hindi tayo makapag-emote si Emma eh.
Nag-emote-emote din kasi itong prinsesa.